What's up, everybody? Today we are in the garage and it is Tech Tip Tuesday. I am going to tell you the most simplest tech tip that most of you guys already know. Believe it or not, this tech tip I've had to tell the younger guys because they didn't even know this. It's the most simplest thing you're ever going to hear, and that is finding an oil leak with baby powder. Very simple. You guys right now that have done this, you're laughing, going, been there, done that. You younger guys, this is the most simplest way to find an oil leak, for example, somewhere on the back of an engine, especially when the engine's painted black. You take it for a ride, you come back inside, you're looking for an oil leak, by then it's all over the place, and you can't diagnose with confidence where's it coming from. So all you have to do is take some brake clean, or maybe wash your engine down with the pressure washer, or however it is you got to do it to get all the oil residue off of that area. You take a little baby powder, you sprinkle it around that area, you fire up the vehicle, take it for a ride if you have to. When you come back, start looking for the brown, nasty, mucky looking baby powder and follow the trail, and it will tell you exactly where it's coming from. I've seen this before where people are blaming the back of the intake, or they're blaming a rear main seal, and it can be something simple as, you know, a distributor gasket on a small block Chevy. I mean, who knows what it can be. This will save you a lot of time. I know a lot of the older guys have been doing this for years, so take this with you. It'll save you time, and it's so simple, I don't even know why we're talking about it. But we need to, because we got to keep these little tips going to that younger generation to help them out too. They got to make a living, so we're going to teach them how. Peace out, guys. If you like what I got to say, subscribe to my YouTube page, In the Garage, and there'll be more to come.